Because the internet has already transformed the world into a global village, the online translation job market is one of the fastest growing job markets. If you are bilingual, there are numerous jobs available online that you can do from the comfort of your own home. You can look for work-at-home translation jobs to find one that fits your schedule and skills. An online translator can also assist with online teaching, interpreting, and making bilingual phone calls. Because freelancers dominate the online translation job market, you won't have to worry about moving or working in an office. Many jobs require you to work from home, and many companies that need online translators only need them on an as-needed basis. You only require a stable internet connection. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. It is not enough to learn a language in school. You must also meet certain criteria in order to be hired. You should be familiar with the colloquialisms, usage, and practice of another language as an aspiring online translator. Choose online translation jobs that require you to translate from a second language into your native childhood language to make things easier for yourself. You will be able to tell if it reads right if you do this. You will be in high demand in this fast-growing job market if you grew up in a true bilingual family and have spoken 2 or more languages since childhood. Any agency that wants to hire you will require you to pass fluency tests before they hire you. This is simply to demonstrate that your translations are accurate and precise. Also, if the agency is recommending you for a job, they want to know that you will not disappoint them. In most cases, this means you must be a native English speaker. Because there is no standard rate for translation, your earnings are determined by you, your skill level, the number of clients you have, and the rate you charge them. You'll be assigned tasks ranging from translating hundreds of pages to facilitating email correspondence. As a result, the amount of money you earn as an online translator is determined by the difficulty of the job, but it is always subject to negotiation. You can also charge per word, for example, $0.10 or $0.20 per word. Or you can be paid by the hour. Depending on your speed and abilities, hourly rates can range from $10 to $100. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into the list of the best companies where you can find freelance online translation jobs. Companies and individuals in need of freelance translators go to translate.com. Translation of blog posts, social media posts, support tickets, and other jobs are needed by the majority of these companies and people. This website allows you to register work from anywhere at any time. However, they have a policy of assigning tasks on a first-come, first-served basis. PayPal also allows you to be paid whenever you want. Another fantastic website where freelancers can find online translation jobs is Untitled. However, it functions similarly to a translation subscription service, allowing businesses and individuals to have their online content, product descriptions, blog posts, newsletters, and customer service descriptions translated. The hourly wage for online translators is $8 per hour. As a result, you are paid for every second you spend translating on the site. The best part about Untitled is that you can cash out via PayPal at any time. People who enjoy mobile applications will enjoy Tetras even more. This website only works with mobile application developers and provides them with translations for their apps in a variety of languages. This is where you come in. You assist them in translating applications into different languages. You will be notified of new and available jobs after joining the site. If you want, you can review the job and accept it. PayPal is also used for payment. ABERDEEN provides translation services for businesses. They provide a quick and cost-effective service that includes 24-hour coverage every day. This firm also has a desktop publishing division that takes translated documents and turns them into finished books or brochures. ABERDEEN has its headquarters in Canada and employs freelancers from all over the world. GlobalLink specializes in medical and psychological translations for pharmacies and research institutions, and medical and psychological translations. This company is looking for new ways to expand its network of reviewers and translators, as well as freelancers. If you are interested in joining the team, you can reach out to them via email, phone, or fax. You can also fill out a personal information form on their website. Word Express is a global translation company that can translate into over 100 different languages. They also have a full-time and freelance positions available in California. For a variety of tasks, including simultaneous and legal translation, they only use professional interpreters. You begin your application by sending them your resume via email. Pacific Interpreters specialize in government, public safety, business projects, and healthcare translation. They also assist deaf and hard of hearing people. This company offers video interpreting over the internet, telephonic interpreting, and even on-site interpreting. They also provide American Sign Language services. By applying for a position on the parent company's website, Language Line Solution, you can become a member. You must first apply and then take an online exam before being selected to offer your services on Blend. Following that, you'll send in your certifications. You can work and get paid in whatever way you want once you have been accepted. They accept PayPal and wire transfer payments. They also offer another payment option in the form of a 1-hour translation MasterCard. You can withdraw your earnings from this card anywhere in the world. Are there any freelancing sites where I can find online translation jobs? Yes, in addition to the above-mentioned job boards that specialize in translations, there are numerous general job boards and freelancing sites where you can find online translation jobs. Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Guru.com, iFreelance.com, PeoplePerHour.com, and Upwork.com are some of these general job boards. A professional translation certification will assist you in this career. There are numerous training and certification programs available online, but we recommend the American Translators Association's program, or ATA. You will take a certification exam that will allow you to add a CT or certified translator to your name. This will give potential clients a sense of your worth, and they will be more likely to trust you. It also means you'll earn more money. If you want to work as an online translator, this video will teach you more about the field and show you where you can find great job opportunities and make money. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.